Hi guys, it's Joe from Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this lovely Honda VFR1200X Crosstourer. Well, what a beautiful bike this one is. 2017 on a 17 plate. It's only done 12,577 miles. It's a cracking piece of kit. Obviously these run the V4 engine, so really smooth but plenty of torque there. It's got the engine bars, you've got a slightly taller screen, you've got the spotlights which you've just seen there as well. Full 3-box luggage. You've got the comfort seat on there as well, which has been reupholstered, which looks lovely. You get ABS, you also get torque control on these as well. TC there as you can see it. This one's been fitted with a genuine Honda heater grips. And I think that's it. They're a shaft drive, so they're super silky smooth when you're changing gear and you're going down road, not as much maintenance as chain and sprockets. And this one I think just looks lovely in the white and black with a bit of gold pinstriping. Stuff like this do sell fast, so if you do want to get it bought, you know what to do. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call, get it bought before someone else does. Thank you for watching, cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy and we've put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.